What is federalism in US constitutional law? Have you ever wondered how power is shared in the United States? Federalism is the answer. It is a system where authority is divided between two levels of government, the national government and the individual state governments. Both levels govern the same territory but operate independently within their own areas of authority. At the heart of federalism is the idea of dual sovereignty. This means that both the federal government and the states have specific powers that the other cannot override. However, when there is a conflict, the federal government holds supremacy. This structure is clearly outlined in the United States Constitution. The Constitution specifies certain federal powers, known as enumerated powers. These powers are primarily found in Article 1, Section 8. They include regulating interstate commerce, coining money, and maintaining armed forces. Additionally, the Necessary and Proper Clause allows Congress to create laws that help execute these powers. The 10th Amendment plays a crucial role in federalism. It reserves all powers not given to the federal government or prohibited to the states for the states themselves. This includes managing local issues like education, public safety, and state court systems. Another key component is the Supremacy Clause found in Article 6. This clause states that the Constitution and federal laws made under it are the supreme law of the land. When state laws conflict with federal laws take precedence. Despite this, states maintain significant authority to govern local matters independently. In the courtroom, federalism creates two parallel court systems, federal courts and state courts. Federal courts interpret and enforce federal law, while state courts handle state laws. Sometimes, cases arise that question whether federal or state law applies, or if federal law overrides state law. These situations can lead to complex legal issues that are resolved in court. Federalism allows states to have their own constitutions, legislatures, governors, and judicial systems. This leads to a variety of legal practices across the country. While this division of power helps balance national interests with local control, it can also create challenges in coordinating laws and jurisdictions between federal and state authorities. In summary, federalism in United States constitutional law is a foundational principle that shapes how government power is allocated and exercised. It influences the structure and function of courts at both federal and state levels, creating a unique legal landscape across the nation.